Let's start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Then line up the oven trays with cupcake liners. We will be making strawberry shortcake cupcakes today. Here's the ingredients for the cupcake. 2 cups cake flour, sifted. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a cup of butter, salted and melted or softened. Then 3/4 cup of white sugar or granulated sugar. Then 2 eggs, medium sized, and don't forget to remove your yolks. 1 cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the strawberry filling, I bought this product from a bake shop in Hague Road. It's called strawberry pie filling. It's already sweetened and pre-cooked. Then for the cream frosting, I bought a buttercream. And now let's start baking our strawberry shortcake cupcakes. Other options for strawberry filling can be fresh strawberries from your local supermarket, or you can also buy the frozen packed ones.